Holy!
Can't take your thumb off. Welcome back, buddy. It's gonna come up. It's a good fish.
Yeah.
Here he comes. Oh, stay on there. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. See how he's keeping him tight like that?
There he goes. Holy.
Get those rods in, boys. 9 feet, could be 10.
That's the one. You know, there's nobody better in the game than Dean Work from Great River Fishing Adventures. This guy's landed more big sturgeon than anyone probably in the world. We've been so fortunate to be able to come out with him several times, but I'll tell you what, guys, this is the biggest fish we've ever hooked.
Look at him. Traveling upstream against the current, way up. He might go around. That's a fish of a lifetime.
Yeah.
Demon. Oh my God.
See how big it looks on the video.
Look at that beast, you guys.
And I think we're gonna run out of tape on this guy.
So there's 300. Are you able to hold your hand there?
I got it, yeah.
And you hold that tail up. 323. Hey, brother, that's a sick fish, man. Hey?
Thank you.
Of course.
The tagging system that's in place has only been in place for what, 20 years?
Yeah.
So this fish, this is a rough estimate, but this fish could be 140 years old. And he's never been tagged before. So the ability to put a tag into this fish is something really special.
Yeah, to see a fish like this is pretty special.
Okay, this is a fish of a lifetime.
You want to put this in?
Absolutely.
Skin so thick, can barely get it in there. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, we're gonna go check that tag.
Unbelievable day with the family on the water.
Oh, look at the size of the head on that fish.
Give him a big kiss. And we're gonna take him in a bit deeper water here, guys.
It takes a little bit of time before these fish are ready to go, right? And it's okay, he's gonna swim away, just like they all have in the past. It's wonderful.